Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Horidi, and in this video I'm planning to talk about the abstract class in the Dart language. What exactly is abstract class? Actually, abstract class is same as a class, but with a small difference in its functionality. We cannot actually initialize the abstract class in our code. And why do we need to use this abstract class in our code? Actually, abstract class are created in order to make our code more readable, and it's some kind of suites in programming with that make coding a lot easier than before. So let's go ahead and check out what exactly is abstraction or abstract class in code. So in order to create an abstract class, you need to first use the keyword abstract. As I write it, you will see that um, the letter become green, which means that the Dart interpreter recognizes this keyword. Then the name of abstract class, um, for example, animal, okay? And then you need to open the curly brackets, and after you see that this thing will become, I forget to write the class before the name of class. So first we need to write abstract and class and then animal. And in this part we need to we can actually write the name of methods in this class. For example, an animal can sleep. Every animal can sleep. I'm going to create a method sleep and open two brackets and then semicolon at the end of it. And we do not need to initialize it like this because we are going to let the subclasses that inherit from the animal class complete this method. So there may be some difference. For example, we can also, every animal can eat. Some eat food, some eat grasses, some eat meats, but they still are exactly the same, I think. We can just initialize this part and just write a sleeping for every animal that actually inherit from these classes, okay? But the eat is different for every kind of animal. For example, cats eat cat food, or goats eat grasses, and every animal have different kind of food. And in order to use this abstract class, we need to inherit it in our classes like this. For example, I'm going to create a class called dog, which inherit or extends from the animal class. And as you see, there's an letter, there is underlined under the dog language, as you see. As I hover my voice over it, you will see that missing concrete implementation of animals. Try to implement the missing method or make the class abstract. In order to fix this problem, we must uh, override this method, which is it. I'm going to override this method, it, okay, and then like this. I'm going to, for example, write dog is eating dog food, okay, like this. I'm going to put semicolon at the end of this code. As you see, we override this method and we need to annotate this method with an override keyword, which tell the interpreter that it is override class of its superclass, which is an animal. And we can also use this like this. So what if I want to um, initialize the animal class, you will see that animal is not actually um, initializable because it's an abstract class and it's not a class by itself. We must, so in order to use it, we need to extend it or inherit it from the another class from animal and then implement the method that are missing over it. So if I just you replace the animal with dog, and I can use all method that dog has. For example, eat, or even sleep. which is the method from its from parent class. For example, we can drive a sleep method, which is we came from the uh, animal class at the parent one. So if I run this code, you will see that first dog is eating dog food and then dog is sleeping, and that's exactly what abstract class do. We we pass the responsibility to the override the method to the subclasses, the classes that implement this abstract class in it. And by doing that, we make our coding a lot easier than before. And the biggest advantages is that it's really easy to test this code. I will talk about testing later, but not now. Another thing, let's create another class. For example, class cat, which extends from animals. I'm going to copy paste this stuff over here because to try to write them again. But I'm going to change the cat. Cat is eating cat food. That's super easy. And I'm going to create a var for cat that actually implement that initialize the cat. And also we can call cat dot eat. Now I do not need to read the document to understand that cat has eat method because I know that cat is part of the animal class, and every animal has two methods, which one of them is eating and another one is sleeping, and it make our coding a lot easier, and we do not to reference or read the documents again and again and again. I think that's enough for now. If you like my video, please consider leaving a like, or if you encounter any problem, please leave a comment in this video. Thank you for watching and happy coding.